Let's take apart this mini helicopter and actually see it inside and see how we can repair this helicopter. So this is actually very cool kid's toy, and actually it's fairly durable. So if you want to change maybe the blades, they simply we simply have to pull them like this out and use some force, and you can remove them very easily. To attach them back, again, very easy. So if you want to dismantle this, you see on the side here you have this like tiny knob over here and one knob over here. So we simply have to like take this plastic piece and like unhook it basically. So from this side and from this side as well. So simply like take your finger and pull out a bit. So as you see, this part basically comes apart. So, and this is what it looks like up close. So we have the battery stuffed over here, and we have one screw over here, another screw over here, and third screw over here, and another screw over here. So 4 screws to unscrew it. And we can see the gears actually engaging as we actually turn the rotors. Let's unscrew the screws and take it apart. Okay, so 4 screws, and once screws are over, it simply comes apart like this. So we have various clips, so make sure you do not break any of the clips and things that actually hold it together. So I guess we can simply like take it apart like this. So again, be very careful not to break anything. And this is basically what it looks like inside. So we can't take this any more apart, I guess. So we can maybe put it like this, and then we can actually remove all these individual parts. As you can see, they can be removed, and verify that all the soldering joints are okay. And this is the antenna over here. So if you have some problems maybe with the remote and can't control properly, check if there is no damage on this part over here. And to take out the rotor, we have one like clip over here. So make sure to unclip this properly. So be kind of careful when you remove it. As you see, this is that part. So need to be careful with, and as you see, it can be removed very easily. So there's really nothing much over here. And again, if you have some battery problems, first verify that all the contacts are okay on the battery. So the battery size is definitely very tiny on this thing. So there are no markings on the battery size on this thing. And the motor itself, this is what it looks like. So as you see, if I spin, these gears spin. So all plastic gears. So again, this is cheap Chinese in quality, but really it does the job, so without any problems. So yeah, verify that everything is okay here. Okay, and let's put it back together. So the battery goes inside here like this. So again, I have never taken this device apart, so yep. And let's insert everything back in. So make sure it clips again in these correct places inside. Okay, insert the board. And make sure to push in properly this, so everything is very snug. So, and then we can, I guess, put it back together. So as you see, it's very simple build quality. So it's actually like very easy to repair if anything goes wrong with this thing. So again, not much there. Verify that the cables aren't stuck anywhere. And then we are going to screw back in all the screws. And once we have the screws in, let's verify that it's working. Yep, works great. And if you want to attach this back, first observe where you have this like light diode and like align it properly inside. So let's put it back, and again make sure that light diode basically goes inside first. We can maybe break this apart, I guess. Okay. And again, check for that light diode. So align it properly like this, otherwise it won't go properly in, and as you see, it snaps back together, and we have our helicopter back. Let's turn it on. And yeah, everything works great. Anyway, good luck guys.